So here's how to duplicate apps on your Samsung phone. So for that reason, first of all, open up the settings on your mobile phone, then scroll it down and you'll probably find the advanced feature option. Alright, then simply tap on it, and then from here, if you scroll it down, you will see the dual messenger. So simply tap on the dual messenger and the available application will be shown here. So you can see I have only 2 applications, but if you have more social medias like Snapchat, Telegram and Twitter and many more, then you can dual them from here. So to dual the to duplicate or dual the messenger, Facebook Messenger, I will tap on this icon, which is the toggle icon. Just simply toggle it up and it will tap to install button. All right, now it is turned on. The dual messenger is turned on. So we will just go back to our app drawer, and as you can see, there are 2 messenger in one phone. So that's how you can simply duplicate apps on your Samsung device. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you pretty next time.